Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can make your Instagram account private. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile, then tap on your profile icon that appears on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the three-barred icon or the hamburger menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see the account privacy option. You tap on it. Then toggle the switch to enable your private account. Confirm that you want to switch to private, and then now your account has been switched to private. That means that only your followers that you approve can see what you share, what's on your feed, your story, etc. And as you can see, now my profile has been switched to private. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.